Good morning, everyone. This is your main man's wife. We are doing a project this morning. We are painting the shutters. This one. This is the second floor of our house, and I'll have my husband climb that thing. I made a harness for him. Just in case he falls. Because he needs to increase his life insurance first. Right, Dad? You need the Zen?
Yeah, I need to power up. I already made sure that I paid my monthly dues in my life insurance. And we are ready to go, guys. Let's do this.
Okay, this is my my Zen singing bowl. It's made of quartz. It produces good energy. And this is where I do yoga.
Okay, give it to me. Alright. Alright, let's cut this bullcrap, man. We're gonna do this now so that I can play my Call of Duty. There's a lot of missions that I need to do. So I gotta get over this, guys. So bear with me.
He's going to a regional competition and to the national.
So we already removed the screen. There was a lot of tinkering, but newer houses, thankfully, it's not that bad. It's easy. It's just like one click, couple of clicks, and you'll be good. So access is roof. It's not that far, man. Maybe 15 feet. Probably you'll break an ankle if you fall. You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Or my plants. That's the most.
So the plan is paint this son of a gun, man. So all of the shutters in the house was already painted. So it's more than 10 years old, right, Mom?
Yeah, 11.
Yeah, so we gotta take care of the house, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So
We need to do the basement.
yeah, we already qualified in Call of Duty first round, man. Shout out to my main man, JJ. You drogista. You good, brother? Let's do this. De bada sasak panakan bada be de bada sasak panakan be day sibuk-sibugi daw na dre day be sibuk-sibugi daw na pito-pito na dre sa kaliwa. Yo, remember the last vlog? Happy wife, happy life. Yo, man, right there, you single people, you better be sure, man. You better be sure what you're doing. If you're happy right now, dig deep inside. Define happiness and life. If you got doubts and got a lot of questions in your mind, ask your boy. Okay? What is happy life, bro? I'll let you know. Okay? See this brush? This is like defining your life. Huh? Look at me. Look at this ugly one right here. It's two-tone. And that one, and that one. I'll show you. Oh yeah, I got vantage here. Fucking my lower back, I just saved my lower back. Fucking soak this bitch right now. Teamwork, man. That's a teamwork, man. That's a teamwork right there. She does underneath and I do the upper. So, yeah, buddy.
Oh, what a nice day. Good morning. Good morning, birds. Good morning. Oh, what that is? What that is? Is the bird?
That's an owl. Leave the owl alone. Woo, woo,
you
woo,
got some nice legs.
woo, woo.
What that is in your arm? In your leg?
That's peclat. It's called peclat.
No, the one with the red. Oh, some nice stroke. Is that Degas?
Hmm?
Rembrandt? Which painter are you? Da Vinci?
No. Hugh Hefner. Hugh Hefner. My teacher used to be from Baltimore, but he moved in Texas. His initial is BE. We call them Dick. Saw Dick? Not giving his name away. G35 class 30. Top secret, man.
Special Forces?
No.
What's his talent?
Talent? He's specialized in assault. And during nighttime, he's really good in that one. He's gonna swoop in. The less you expect, like taking a shower, he's gonna come in. He's gonna take care of you. Really quick. Really quick. You have no reaction time is 0.005. There's no chance. Even the fastest insect cannot anticipate it. His action is so fast, you cannot react. Dick, sup, bro?
I heard you two have some secret going on.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm not spilling the beans, girl. I like that Bianchi though.
What Bianchi?
Bianchi.
Beyonce?
Bianchi. That's a bike name. I like that Bianchi bike. I really do. Color's white.
You want to get it?
Yeah.
How much that is?
The frame should be around $5,000-$6,000.
Okay. You're gonna
Overall.
sell your half of your kidney there.
No.
Okay.
It's a couple of shifts, you know, 12-hour shift, couple of 12 shifts, you know what I'm saying? If you got the hooks, you know, get a hookup, man. I mean, you know, hardworking people I respect, like that guy gardening that there, it probably would take 2 years for him. But, you know, if you got 12-hour shift, like I do what I do, we get settled, bro. We got this one, bro. All right, you're taking my time now. I'm trying to paint. We're not vlogging.
I was getting your thoughts on you said your teacher.
Oh, leave my teacher alone.
Is that your only teacher?
Oh yeah, he's one of the mentors that influence where I'm at right now.
To shape your life?
No. You know, shaping a life depends on the individual. My friend Deepak said,
That's
Ipang
my teacher.
Chita Rin. Release the mantra. That's what he said.
You're learning from my yoga, from my meditation, Dad?
Normal people doesn't understand it, but we don't need to explain everything, yo. Shout out my man Deepak.
That is actually my meditation teacher, Deepak Chopra, and Kim Ang, and oh, that's some sexy positions.
Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I do, yeah. Cause I only wanna make you happy.
Okay, pasok na. Can you please
What? I need to stretch.
position? There's like technique.
I learned a lot from watching YouTube, from watching Judex doing the grill.
The grill?
Yeah, this is how Judex do it. It's for my kaibigan Judex. Yes, perfection. This is what you called. This is what you called the Naga stroke.
Naga stroke.
Right there. It's different. Different days, different stroke. You know what I'm saying?
No.
This is the love of lying stroke.
Oh, that's me. I love that.
Like this. Finesse. Love
Is
it.
that from your mentor to Dex?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, lalabas ka na naman?
Dito, hindi tama dito. Hindi ko na tama.
What do you want me to do? thumbs up.
There's a new episode of Minhu, baby. The King's what?
King. That's it. That's it.
No, there is some. I think it's a wrap, fam. We did our best. It looks almost new, except for that last one. It's all good. No one can reach that high anymore. But shout out to my neighbors, man, for lending me all that ladder. June, Dex, Elmer for the rollers. But look at that. It's worth it. But I hope y'all have a good weekend, and we're gonna head out, get some grill going.